in Kutch, I always saw how people were really preserving their things, traditions in forms of quilts. So that is the title of my MDP. It's called Preserved Memories. Hi, I am Hiba Osman and I am from the graduating batch of Fashion Design year 24. I worked on my MDP with natural dyes and different material interventions. So actually my MDP goes way beyond the actual duration of the project. It all started with my journey when I was in Kutch doing my internship over there with the artisans. That's when I started experimenting in working with natural dyes and then working on different materials with natural dyes. And since I have a background of leather tanning, my family, like my father and my grandfather, everybody has been a leather tanner. So there was that personal connection with that material. And I saw how the industry has like all of this piled up things that go to scrap. And I saw that looked like a problem to me. So I tried to put those things together, and in Kutch I always saw how people were really preserving their things, their traditions in forms of quilts. So that is also what my research paper was about. It was about quilts and how they preserve memories. So that is the title of my MDP. It's called Preserved Memories because what I'm trying to do here is that I'm trying to preserve all my memories through my internship and through my childhood about what I've learned at the workshop, at the factory, all of these things, that I'm trying to put them and combine them as surfaces on my garments. It is an experiment of ajrak as a craft on material like leather. So it is a material intervention that really has not been explored much before. The major inspiration behind my project was basic households of Kutch and how I saw people really taking care of things after the life of that thing has ended. Like their clothes, they would not discard them, they would keep them and use them as katran, or they would cut them up and like fill them in their quilts. How they would, years later, they would open up those quilts and they would find very old pieces of garments of their own family members, and how, these things are just layers and layers of memories. So I wanted to bring that into my collection as well. So I did that through hand painting and hand block printing and natural dyeing on my surfaces for the garment. I feel it is a full circle for me. Even though there's much more that is still left to do, I feel like on a personal level. But to see your garments on, like, finally coming onto the ramp, something you've been working on for so many months, I think it's very fulfilling, and it is a wholesome experience. At IIED, I feel I could explore myself the best here, because I discovered things that I didn't know I could do, and I was capable of. And to push me and to push all of us through and to take up such things that are very hands-on, things are very practical. I think it's an amazing experience to have all these experiences firsthand. I feel, especially in this project, or even if we talk about over the years of the learnings that we've taken, the teachers have always pushed us to, explore different sides of things. Like, look at all the options that we have available and play as much as we want. We're given so much freedom, especially in fashion. Like, the process is such a key element, and we're always encouraged to be completely engrossed in our process, because that will always show up in the end result. So that encouragement of being engrossed in the process is something really amazing. Like, continuing, I would say, IIED here, we are completely doing all things in practice, like very less theory, I would say. And since we are doing things in practice, we also understand the actual depth of an activity or a craft, or it could be anything. So yeah, the best part is definitely the hands-on and the practicality of it.